As you know that cyanide stun the fish, so but also cyanide kill the corals and also other species non-targeted that die or wasted. So at the moment, the use of cyanide is still one of the major issues in Indonesia.
The spectacular paradise turned into colorless, plain picture.
Dulu waktu masih pakai potasium cyanida itu, terumbu karang yang ada di depan kita ini hampir mati semua. Dulu tangan ini sebagai perusak dan penghancur karang. Pakai cyanida, cungkil karang, apa segala macam aktivitas dulu.
Nyoman Triade, well known as Gombal, is a portrait of ornamental fish collectors living in Les village in the north of Bali. Before 2002, almost all ornamental fish collectors in his village use cyanide to collect fish.
Awal mulanya saya bekerja cari ikan hias itu sejak tahun 88. Waktu itu saya masih pakai potasium cyanida. Nah, begitu lama kita jalani, sekitar 15 tahunan. Awal-awal kerja saya di sini, ikan masih banyak, seperti nyelbetmen, keling asli, keling merah di sini masih, ya boleh dikatakan masih penuh lah. Karang juga masih bagus. Waktu masih pakai cyanida, karang udah begitu mati, ikan juga kurang. Hingga saya nyari ikan jauh, seperti ke Sumbawa, Solor, bahkan Alor.
"80 kilometers away from Les village to the west, next to West Bali National Park, the practices of using cyanide are still taking place up to now. Three tablets of cyanide mixed with seawater are sufficient for the fishermen to start spraying to the coral colonies. To allow us filming these illegal practices, the fishermen asked us to conceal their identities.
Well, the impact, if we're talking for the ornamental fish, it is, many people argue that the impact is small comparing to the coral minings, coral bombing. You know, people argue that the impact is small. But the thing is, because the collection in Indonesia happening everywhere, so if we accumulate the impact, of course it is significant. And you know, if we talk about the habitat destruction is the cause of cyanide from the activity of the ornamental trade. But also if we talk about the impact on the waste, like how many fish died, so the impact is significant toward the environment, even though nobody knows yet. There's no researcher tried to do a study on what exactly the impact of this marine ornamental trade on the environment.
The impact of this international trade of reef fish is quite different from other more chronic causes of reef degradation. The market always looks for high-end species, so it will lead the people in this industry to go further to find new unexploited fishing grounds, even within protected areas. The most remote, pristine reefs are at huge risk. In the Marine National Park of Karimun, Java, Central Java, fishermen use cyanide to catch live food reef fish, especially groupers. If the fish hides in cavities under massive coral structure, the fishermen will spray cyanide randomly. The amount of cyanide used depends on the bulk size of the coral colony. The food fish size is bigger than ornamental fish. To stun the fish, it will need more cyanide.